All right, so this is just a real easy self-taping technique if you're having some generalized knee pain, some patellar tracking issues, whatever it may be. This is a great technique to just give a little more guidance to the kneecap and make the knee feel a little better. You're just gonna need two pieces like so. If they're not pre-cut, 10 to 12 inches. Need some scissors as well. There's kind of an easier version and there's a harder version. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna start by taking the scissors. We're gonna cut right down the middle of the tape, making two tails. I would say you want about an inch to 2 inches in terms of a base. So that's this piece that's not cut. We're gonna start by tearing that area right there, that's the base. We're gonna come down, we're gonna find this little bump right below the kneecap. When we find that bony bump, that's where we're gonna place our base, just like that. We're gonna bring that up. And then we want the base to end, or those two tails to start, right at the base of the kneecap. Once we've laid the base all the way down, we're just gonna grab the two tails. Don't do it a little more clean than that. You can just kind of grab right behind. Either way, this KT tape's pretty forgiving there. We're gonna grab that. We're gonna take the medial side, come up and around, not a whole lot of tension. Keep it nice and light. This lateral side, we might give a little more pull. Come up and around just like that. On that lateral side, give it a pat down. If you don't have a lot of time or a lot of tape, that works great right there. Top up, see how it feels. If you have a little more time, a little more tape, all we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the exact same piece. We're gonna leave about an inch to 2 inches on that base. We're gonna tear on the base right there. We're gonna place it with the tails going down. We're gonna find where that base ends and splits into the two tails, and that's where we're gonna start our anchor point. Start working it down like that so we don't have those stick together again. Just, cradle it like that underneath. There we go. We're gonna pat down, make sure that base is nice and firm. Come around the medial side, and then come around this lateral side and give it maybe a little bit of a medial pull or bias right there. There we go, perfect. Pat it down, try to take out any wrinkles. Make sure it's nice and tight. Once you've done that, I just recommend a pop up. Move it around full range, make sure it feels nice and good. If you need to adjust it, adjust it. Really test it. Make sure it's patted down, it's adhesed before you bounce out of the locker room, or before you go out and really work and move on it. And so that right there is an easy self-taping technique. Give it a try. It should work great for you.